Most Facebook and TikTok advertisers will be left behind during these next few months. This final quarter of the year will be like nothing we have ever seen. In fact, nearly all e-commerce leaders, 96% of them, are forecasting international order volume in this Q4 of 2025 to exceed all of last year's Q4. And with CPMs on these ad platforms rising to all-time highs, the new Meta Andromeda update pushing costs even higher, TikTok Shop updates forcing us to make creatives at scale. We have inflation making spending harder for the average person, tight consumer budgets, and the tariffs this year, and even AI being in play against you for the first time ever, along with all of the other record changes that have happened. So now it's more important than ever to start running your ad campaigns for your Q4 promotions earlier with the right strategies. So that way you don't get left behind during this Q4 and Black Friday season, and you know exactly what the right ways are to be able to scale to 10, 20, even 30K days in ad spend. Having a record Q4 isn't just a thought, it becomes a reality. So in today's video, I'm giving you my entire Q4 Black Friday playbook that I use with some of your favorite brands you've seen online, and the exact Black Friday Facebook and TikTok ad creative, the offers, the strategy, and so much more. This is the exact playbook we use with brands like WoolX and this brand Photon Candle, who went from averaging 100K months to doing $100,000 sales days in November, finishing that month at over 800K in sales. So you want to pay very close attention to this and implement this marketing strategy into your brand for this Q4 so you can also start seeing results during Black Friday. Let's go ahead and get into the video. All right, so here we are. We're going to be looking at some of the creatives that you need to be running on Facebook and TikTok ads and launching these campaigns earlier than just launching in November. We need to be launching in September and October to be able to build up in time to be able to start maximizing our overall sales. And with some of these latest updates with Andromeda on Meta and TikTok Shop requiring more creatives, it's now really important that we have diversity in our creatives. So whenever we're looking at content that we're going to be creating for the holidays, we need to not only think in terms of launching earlier so that way we can combat CPMs, but also looking at net unique creative formats, not just testing anything and everything, but trying different hooks, trying different styles, so that way we can maximize overall sales. So I've gone ahead and put this swipe file together. It's linked below the video and you can follow along with me here. And one of the first brands we're looking at is True Classics. Most of you run like standard Black Friday offers, like 20% off, one item. This year, we want to shoot for higher average order values, which means we need to be pushing our bundles, our bigger offers, so that way we get people to buy a lot more from us, boosting our overall return on ad spend, allowing us to throttle up spend. And the way we do that is by having bundles and packs. So you could do this with variety bundles. And rather than saying 20% off anything and everything, we're saying up to 50% off our 6-pack clothing. So this allows us to push a bundle. We have different Black Friday offer here, which is 40% off for 3 packs. So we're not only just doing one standardized offer, we're creating multiple offers for every single product, for different bundles, for different collections. That way we can appeal to different markets and increase our overall AOV. So as you can see here, our biggest sell of the year, we have 3 packs, 6 packs, 12 packs, incentivizing them to spend more money during Black Friday. And rather than just only having this run for a couple of days during the peak buying season of Black Friday itself, we're going to be launching each of these offers sooner rather than later. And here's a video example where we went from doing 40% to 50% in the images to now having a 70% off offer.
I'm Peyton, and this is my dad, Scott.
Hello.
My dad's style was in the past, but what used to be in is out now, and I need to help him. His shirt.
So this is a very simple video. They're taking one of their winning creatives, and then they're just including the Black Friday offer with the 70% off sell. So rather than testing a new idea, we're just bringing back one of our best creatives ever and then implementing our Black Friday text in there. So that way we know it will work. And then what we have are this gift that always fits. So we want to have gifting based ads. We want to have promotional based ads. We want to drive people to be able to buy gifts during the holidays. So you can launch this type of creative right now and start building up sales, because people are going to be doing shopping earlier to be able to save money and layer that spend over a few months for all of the people they're going to be buying for. That's really important. So we can start running these offers right now, which are just gifting based ads, and direct them to our products to get them in that frame of mind to later retarget down in the next couple of weeks. Same thing here, unwrap the perfect gift this holiday. This is a seasonal based ad. It has autumn based colors. It fits in well with October and the November fall vibes. So we're going to have some of these creatives going out now, and then whenever Black Friday truly kicks off, we're going to have our big offers on our bundles our buy 3 get 1. That way we're getting people to spend more. 60% off, buy 12 get 7 free. These are really strong offers that get people to buy. Now, let's look at some other brands. Here's a supplement example. Save 30% with Black Friday at 30. This is a coupon code. It's the very standard direct product shot, easy to make, can be done in Canva. And then we have free shipping on all orders. And then we're still breaking down our product in case people don't know what it is, proven supplement, and some of our key call outs, right? And then we have Salt and Stone. Does Salt and Stone ever go on sale? This is a good ad format for any of you who don't run sales throughout the year. If you do not launch sales on Labor Day, July 4th, Valentine's, any of these holidays, well, Black Friday, if you're planning on launching your first ever offer, you don't have to give out crazy incentives because that's not your brand style. You can get away with a much lower percent off, like a 20%, but you only want to do that if you've never ran an offer before. That way you can still get sales and then liquidate the entire funnel that you've built up over the entire year to be able to maximize growth. So this is a comment reply based video.
They're doing a Black Friday sale. This is their only sale event of the year, so everything site-wide is 20% off.
This only works if you've never ran a sale before. You need to use callouts like, this is the only sale of the year. That way you can get people to go to the site and be able to click through. Our headlines, 20% off everything. This only works for people who have never ran a sale before. If you have in the past, your offers need to be focused on the bigger bundles.
I've been looking for ways to up my fitness game, so I decided to try Create Creatine Monohydrate Gummy.
Biggest sale of the year at Create, 30% off site-wide, starts this Friday, Black Friday, goes through Tuesday. You get 30% off every single product on the website.
Same thing here. This is the 30% off offer. It's the biggest sale of the year. If it's true, then put that in your creative and break down exactly all the products. You can sit in a video explaining exactly each of the offers, what each of the products do. Make it obvious. Don't just push one product, push multiple, so that way you can get people to see different variety things that you offer.
Now until December 2nd, Salt & Stone is having a 20% off sale, and this is their only sale of the entire year.
Another important thing, we have captions, we have people from different backgrounds talking about this. This is your UGC creators. These work really well on TikTok Shop and TikTok ads. And then you can migrate these to Meta. And one of the key things that you need to pay attention to is we're not just launching 1 or 2 Black Friday ads. We're going to have at least 5 to 7 every single week going out on autopilot to feed a Andromeda. So that way we have as many different creative styles, different messaging, different offers to really be able to allow the system to effectively optimize broader audiences. We're not going to be doing a lot of segmentation during Black Friday because of CPMs. We're going to go broad. We're going to go advantage. We're going to play to the Meta algorithm and TikTok algorithm, so that way we satisfy its needs and we pump as many creative content in there as possible. Now, getting into AG1, here's multiple different formats. We have a video, we have an image, we have a Black Friday deal, we have a last chance. You're going to run last chance offers. Sale is ending in 24 hours. Sale is ending in 48 hours. Sale is ending in 72 hours. Final week. This month we just launched. Early Black Friday sale. You get the point. Each week has a category, each day leading up. Black Friday, today only. Cyber Monday, today only. You have to have relevant creatives for every time period leading up. So as we break this down, we kick it off with our welcome kit, your 50% off Black Friday welcome kit. This isn't one product, this isn't just a container, this is their entire kit. Higher AOVs, better sales.
Last chance, the AG1 Black Friday deal is ending soon.
Urgency is baked into this. Once again, last chance to claim your free. If you want to incorporate a free shaker bottle, a free sleeping bag, a free cologne with your product, this is a great way to be able to get higher click-through rates. Sale is ending soon. We know big captions like this in the very beginning will help you get more sales. And then we have our bundles, Black Friday welcome kit. And then finally, showing our last chance of being able to get this freebie, because some people might buy it for themselves and give it to their friend. Now, getting into some of the clothing-based ones with Wool X. These are direct shots of different colors because this appeals to different people. The warmest gift of the season, that one's starting early. Black Friday is here, that is starting the week of Black Friday. Black Friday and Cyber Monday is going live on Black Friday through that weekend leading up to Cyber Monday. And then we have our pre-Black Friday sale, which goes even before all of these. And as you can see, we'll even label it Black Friday. We'll use text like this. You'll notice very similar patterns here because it's proven to work. Last chance, we want these key callouts. Ending soon, free, bundles, all of this messaging needs to be incorporated. This is the one time where you can be very loud with your marketing. As we get down to Photon, who went from 100K months to 100K sales days, we were blasting out tons of different creative formats. We had our 30% off sale, biggest sale of the year, limited stock available. If it's true and you plan on selling out, have these style of creatives. It's very important. And then as we get further down here, what can we see? Free mini night set. We're throwing in some free offers. And then new limited edition. Well, you can incorporate a special drop during this period and also boost sales. Now, one of the key strategies as well in this is whenever you're leading up your Black Friday sale, and we're starting now, we're doing our pre-Black Friday sale, we're spending a little bit more. Maybe we're spending $500 a day, throttling up our audiences, maintaining a good ROAS. And then every week we're increasing our offer, changing out the bundles, coming up with new iterations of our creatives. That way we're able to lift up and start dominating. And then we're going to really push on that final week of Black Friday to 1K days, 10K days, 30K days on those peak buying days, where Black Friday itself, you're able to pull out 100K plus in sales and have a record sales day. And from there, what this is going to do is once you have all of this in play and you're rotating creatives, we're going to leverage this to where whenever you get all of these purchases and have a record sales month, well, guess what? Come January, rather than dropping back down to what you used to do on a monthly average, you're actually gonna come out 2 to 3 times higher and prop yourself up for the entire next year, and you're gonna repeat this again the following year. And keep in mind, lots of people are going to be blasting out AI creatives and really ramping up content. So if you don't have a good content cycle, you need to access this swipe file and build out each of these variations and put them on a time schedule for every week cadence. This is going to allow us to really get the most growth possible. Don't sleep on this Q4 and these strategies, because it is going to be one of the biggest seasons of the entire year, and it starts today. So if you like this video, I went ahead and picked out another video to help you out to gear up for this season. So be sure to check this out right here, because I'm breaking down the exact UGC framework that you need to ramp up the affiliate side. Not just ad creatives, we also need UGC content to build out this system. And this is the creator flywheel that we use with brands to be able to ramp up thousands of videos to be able to allow us to have as much diversity of creative and pump orders. So I'll see you inside of that video. And once again, it's your favorite digital marketer here, Chase Chappell. Cheers and bye all.